All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So I have a very exciting bike. We have a 2023 XR150 that Man in the Box has graciously let me borrow to rip on the trails and to kind of give you guys an opinion. We are here at Barber Smallbore. As you can see, they're having some practice on the track. Yoshimura's got the drag racing. The whole kit and caboodle is out here, and it couldn't be a better Friday. So I believe this is actually, you know, a carbureted bike. And in the short time that I've been on it, it's a very, very, very comfortable bike. It's a 150. Let's see what else. I think its MSRPs are like $2,900. So I mean, this could definitely be a fun bike to rip for I don't know, less than $3,500. But enough talking, and let's go get on the trail. And you know, I'm a 6-foot guy, you know, 205 pounds, and yeah, the bike feels great. It's actually very quiet too. Take her on some trails and see how she does. Big shout out to Greg at Man in the Box for offering me to take this thing through the trail. I can tell you right now, we've been ripping these trails all day yesterday on Thursday, and this bike is way far more comfortable. Now, as far as power goes, I don't know how much power it makes or whatever, but seat is extremely comfortable too. It's crazy to think that this guy's carbureted. Uh-oh, can you not go this way? All right, oh, back it up. We'll back her up. Oh, I thought you could go that way. Guess you can't. Ooh. Alright, let's go off into this one. Skirt. Oh yeah, here we go. Be a little bit more careful with this, because for one, it ain't my bike. Okay. Had my bike on the dyno this morning. We got a bad O2 sensor. It made 19.9. We'll just say right at 20 horsepower. Guess we're gonna be on the red trail. Oh man, this is like riding on a Cadillac, dude. Once again, big shout out to Man in the Box for letting me borrow this puppy. This thing's got plenty of power. Good torque too. Low downhill. Oh, big bump right here. All right. Nice and toasty out today too. It's 86 degrees out. I called my local dealer about one of these, and they wanted like almost $3,900 to get one of these. I'm like, I don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze on that, but if I could get one at MSRP, we will definitely be adding one of these to the fleet for sure. You know, the Trail 150 that I have is an absolute blast to ride, and this is just this is just even better too. I'll go right. Rode this trail earlier this morning. Slow her down a little bit right here. Excuse me. There we go. Slight little incline. Handled it with ease. Man, I love this thing. I told you, if I can get one of these puppies at MSRP, this will be the 8th motorcycle in the garage. Okay. Brakes are good. Nice and responsive. Go ahead. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, cool. Nice little bridge here. Oh, big bump. Let those guys get out in front of me because I'm literally eating and sucking in their dust. Yeah, we're not going to do second gear. Hey, which way do you get out of this bad boy? This way? Yeah. Okay. We'll get it off the trail and do some actual asphalt riding. This thing is definitely a blast in the trails. I've got a Trail 150 video that I'm gonna make for you all. Got some trails back home. Oh, I think we can get out this way. Oh wow. Oh, pull up here. Oh, what'd you stop for? Do it. Oh, video, sorry. Davis. All right, here we go. Full throttle. She ain't a speed demon. It's not what this bike's for, though. It's meant to be ridden on the trails. Oh, you know, we should probably turn around. I don't really want to go out. Let's turn this puppy around. Skirt, skirt. Oh, hey, I thought that was a Type R. Greg, if you're watching this, you give me one of these at MSRP, buddy. We're adding one to the fleet for show. crazy to think that, you know, such a modern bike has a carburetor. But you know, just my opinion, I guess that's one way Honda can keep the price tag so low, not having to worry about, you know, fuel injection. Yeah, I definitely love this thing. The seat's really comfortable too. What are you doing, buddy? Give you guys a little walk around of this thing. As you can see, old school speedometer. Man, I'm telling you what an amazing fun bike. This definitely needs a LED headlight in her. It's already got some factory bark busters on her. We got 17s in the front. Let's see, oh, 19s in the front and a 17 in the rear. Okay, I absolutely love this bike. This is just kind of a short riding video, not very informational because I don't know much about this bike size. It's a 150, you know, $2,900 MSRP. I'm telling you, if I can get one at MSRP, this will be a fun bike to load up and ride the trails for sure. Big shout out to Greg at mnnthbx for letting me borrow this puppy and rip it on the trails. Thanks, Greg. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and let's go have some fun at Barber Small Bore.